Okay, good morning. Now I got more flyers to talk about here. I did a flyer on Wendy's, Wendy's food, Wendy's restaurant, some time ago. Now these are more flyers that came in my house. Now this one I want to discuss is from, I think, Windows Canada. And this one, I like the colors that came out of this one, where they have the free advertisements and the price of their service. And also the back here, see where it says their free special. And I like the color at the bottom here where they put their website and their phone number. So this is the first flyer that caught my eye. Now the second flyer I want to discuss is this one right here, Budget Blinds. And this one has the lettering of the sale and the numbering that I like, the text that they used to print the number. But overall, I like the front of this flyer, like the colors of this that they used to put as the background. So this flyer here, they put advertisement here in this flyer. So this flyer caught my eye. Now the final flyer I want to discuss is this one right here, flyer from Swiss Chalet, where they put their logo on top here, and they put what they're selling here. But overall, I like the picture that they use for the background, saying that they do deliveries, and delivery man here with the meal bag here. Now, the bottom here I like with the red background, but I also like, excuse me, this coupon here, where they laid the coupons that they made. Now, they must have used either Illustrator or InDesign to make this, but most I would say InDesign, because you can make flyers with InDesign, maybe with Illustrator as well, but that calls for another video. What I want to talk about is how they laid out the what they're selling and the prices up here, and the red background that they used over here. So those are the three flyers that caught my eye. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, and maybe subscribe. That's all.